5 seconds. Mr. Speaker, I begin by thanking Almighty good, from whom all blessing flow. Stop. Great is thy faithfulness. Stop. Great is thy mercy and thy loving kindness. Stop. It was exactly 1 year and 2 days ago that the people of St. Andrew Northwestern elected me to represent them as their members of parliament. Stop. I thank them for their support and I again pledge to represent them faithfully in this house. Stop. I thank my councillors and the executive of the Northwestern St. Andrew constituency organization, many of whom are here today, for their organization many steadfast support, and I thank them for their work, energy and effort on behalf of the constituents of St. Andrew Northwestern. Stop. I thank my parliamentary colleagues for assisting in the transition to public life, with words of advice and encouragement. Stop. I wish to recognize the staff of the House of Parliament who are always courteous and helpful in the performance of their duties. Stop. Para change. I thank Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, for his confidence and support in appointing me to the office of Minister of Finance and the Public Service. Stop. Throughout his career, Prime Minister Holness has shown sincerity of purpose, humility, leadership and courage which have earned him the trust of the Jamaican people, and it is an honor to serve in his cabinet. Stop. Jamaica benefits from a first-class team at the Ministry of Finance, and I thank them for their dedication and commitment. Stop. I thank the Financial Secretary Darlene Morrison and her team at the ministry as well as my advisory staff. Stop. I also thank the administrative and ancillary staff in my office who keep things going, and the security staff assigned to me who always go beyond the call of duty. Stop. I also would like to thank the board, management and staff of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, and Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, institutions that play a key role in the budgetary process. Stop. Thanks to my predecessor, man hyphen a hyphen yard, Honorable Audley Shaw, for setting a good example. Stop. Thanks to Ministerial Fievel Williams for helping to make my transition smooth and for her support, and congratulations on her historic appointment as Minister of Science, Energy, and Technology. Stop. Most of all, I would like to thank my family, would now share me with Northwest St. Andrew and by extension Jamaica. Stop. To my wife and children, thank you for your love and support. Stop. The Third Armed Forces Veterans, Days was celebrated with military forever and gaiety all around the country. The showpiece event, a Veteran Day rally, was held at Maneksha Center, Delhi, Kent of January 14, 2019. Stop. It was inaugurated by Raksha Rajya Mantri Dr. Subhash Bhamre. Stop. Para change. Addressing the veterans, Dr. Bhamre said, no words can describe your selfless devotion to duty and the sacrifices made by each one of you. Stop. I can say it with conviction that it is only due to our formidable armed forces, each and every citizen of India today feels safe and has confidence to face the world with pride. Stop. Para change. The RRM reflected on the measures taken by the government towards ex-servicemen welfare and rehabilitation. Stop. He extolled the strong bond between servicemen and veterans and the continued contribution of veterans towards nation building. Stop. Complimenting the armed forces for organizing such events. Dr. Bhamre said, today's warrior is tomorrow's veteran, and what an example being set up by services in ensuring every possible step to ensure well-being and enhance satisfaction level among its veterans. Stop. I am definitely proud of this initiative of the armed forces, which is very much in line with the customs and traditions of our great country. Stop. Para change. The guest of honor at the rally were the three service chiefs and ex-service chiefs. Stop. Around 2000 veterans attended the rally. Stop. It was a unique event since the veterans were from all the three services. Stop. The bonhomie and camaraderie between the three services was reflected in the enthusiasm of the veterans, many meetings friends from the other service after many years of retirement. Stop. Para change. Armed Forces Veterans Day is celebrated in the country to commemorate the superannuation of first C-in-C of our armed forces, Field Marshal K.M. Kariappa, how retired from service of January 14, 1953. Stop. The celebration in Delhi was held under the aegis of Directorate of Indian Army Veterans. Stop. It commenced with a solemn wreath-laying ceremony where floral wreaths were placed by Chief of Integrated Defence Staff to Chairman, COSC Lieutenant General P.S. Rajeshwar, representing the serving community, 3-star rank retired officers from the three service and sub much rank JCOS from the three service represented the veterans community. Stop. A number of stalls were set up by CGDA, banks, pension agencies, ECHS, KSB, and organizations involved in veterans welfare of the three services, which was appreciated by the veterans. Stop. Para change. The Health Index 2019 realized by Niti Aayog makes the important point that some states and union territories are doing better on health and well-being even with a lower economic output, while others are not improving upon his standards. Stop. Some are actually sleeping in their performance. Stop. In the assessment during 2017-18, a few large states present a dismal picture, reflecting the low priority their governments have accorded to health and human development since the Aayog produced its first ranking for 2015-16. Stop. The disparities are stark. Stop. Populous and politically important Uttar Pradesh brings up the rear on the overall health index with a low score of 28.61, while the nation leader, Kerala, has scored 74.01. Stop. Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra join Kerala as the other top performers, with the additional distinction of making incremental progress from the base year. Stop. The Niti Aayog index is a composite based on 23 indicators, covering such aspects as neonatal and infant mortality rates, fertility rate, low birth weight, immunization coverage, and progress in treating tuberculosis and HIV. Stop. States are also assessed on improvement to administrative capability and public health infrastructure. Stop. Para change. For a leading state like Tamil Nadu, the order of merit in the report should serve as a sobering reminder to stop resting on its oars. It has slipped from third to ninth rank on parameters such as low birth weight, functioning public health centers, and community health center grading. Stop. For the health index concept to superstate into action, public health must become part of mainstream politics. Stop. while the center has devoted greater attention to tertiary care and reduction of out-of-pocket expenses through financial risk protection initiatives such as Ayushman Bharat, several states remain laggards when it comes to creating a primary health care system with well-equipped PHCs as the unit stop. This was first recommended in 1946 by the Bohr Committee to stop the neglect of such a reliable primary care approach even after so many decades after states such as Bihar, where much work needs to be done to reduce infant and neonatal mortality and low birth weight, and create specialist departments at district hospitals stop. Special attention is needed to shore up standards of primary care in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Assam and Jharkhand, which are at the bottom of the scale, as per the Niti Aayog assessment. Stop. The health index does not capture other related dimensions, such as non-communicable diseases, infectious diseases and mental health. Stop.